My name is Sohail Rana and I am with my presentation about marketing management. And here is the great company of IMO Pharmaceutical Private Limited Company, which is a national biopharmaceutical leader with head office in Lahore, Pakistan. It combines the global infrastructure and expertise of a traditional pharmaceutical company with the speed, innovation of a biotech company with the mission to provide novel therapeutic solutions for patients with severe diseases treated by the specialists, particularly in the field of gynae, peds, general practice, urology, cardiac, central nervous system, and painful inflammatory diseases like irritable bowel syndrome in abdominal pain. It guards value like passion and performance, care, quality, and innovation. The Pakistan pharma industry has good potential for antispasmodic, and this particular market is growing 17% and have many molecules in it. The first generation antihistamine have a majority of a share, and all of them are growing with the alarming rates. Second generation antispasmodic are also growing with the double digits, and they have good future because of the changing customer needs and wants and public health awareness. Fluoroglucinol is the molecule in its class, and it is also the first molecule offering fast onset of action, efficacy, optimal safety, and has a large number of trials on its back, and all the proof that this salt is of great in its efficacy and safety. As we are entering this market with the fluoroglucinol molecule into new innovative form in sachet with the name of Spasfon plus sachet, which is the line extension of the fluoroglucinol molecule of Spasfon, which is already available in the tablet and injectable, with the optimistic approach offering our customer a product with the best attribute. We plan to do mass marketing with the competitive marketing strategy and attraction, and with a very competitive price. We will run all awareness campaign and academic program. Point of sales activities will be an important part of our strategy. By doing so, we will try to achieve our marketing objective, keeping in view the company vision and mission. This is the newest form of molecule among antispasmodic drug as well. If we regarding this, as far as regarding its situation analysis, Pakistan extend along either the side of the historic Indus River, following its course from the mountain valley of the Himalaya down the Arabian Sea, bordering India, China, Afghanistan, and Iran. Pakistan is strategically located along the incident trade route between Asia and Europe. Pakistan has 796,000 square kilometers of territory, including the wide variety of landscape from the arid desert to lush green valleys and the stark mountain peaks. The country has a population of approximately 152.5 million people, and it's the sixth populous country in the world. Spasfon Plus marketing objective can be viewed as the bridge between the company mission statement and the strategic planning processes. Objective setting establishes benchmarks of performance against which a firm's success or the failure may be guarded. The setting of specific objective define success in the measurable terms as well. Highmont has any other successful organization realize that marketing is not just about selling is only one product of a marketing process. Before selling their products, they carry out a range of activities which take into account consumer preferences. These include market research, the testing of a product on a consumers, and the design of the product. As we know that the Spasfon Plus is dealing with the abdominal pain basically, which is the ache or the feeling of pressure in the upper abdomen. In some people, the abdominal pain spreads back towards the right shoulder blade, nausea and vomiting because symptoms of biliary colic usually are triggered by the digestive system's demands for the bile. They are especially common after the fatty meals. The symptoms also can occur when person who has been fasting suddenly breaks the fast and eats very large meal. The physical examination paying particular attention to the upper right portion of your abdomen and which is the area of your liver and the gallbladder. Ultrasound blood test. At first the doctor may prescribe pain medication and encourage you eat a fat-free diet. In the first episode of the biliary colic is the particular severe or the episodes of the colic keep returning surgery to remove the gallbladder and usually is recommended. Irritable bowel syndrome, a function bowel, which is basically a functional bowel disorder in which the abdominal pain is associated with the defecation or a change in the bowel habit, usually with the feature of disordered defecation and detention as well. Abdominal pain alerted the GI mobility change in the bowel habit, no identifiable organic etiology, and this ratio is between 10 to 25%. Prevalence in the Pakistan is the ratio between among the male and the female with the ratio of 1 2, most common in the young as well. Second leading cause of absenteeism from the patient with the IBS seeks medical attention 3 times more often than non-IBS patient. The room 2 criteria used for the diagnosis of the irritable bowel syndrome at least 12 weeks or more which need to be consecutive in preceding 12 months of the abdominal pain, discomfort or the pain that has 2 out of 3 features recommended. Spasfon Plus, which is the sachet form, has a myotropic antispasmodic mechanism of action which acts on the tissues of the smooth muscles in the gastrointestinal and the urogenital pathway. Superior broad spectrum antispasmodic, unique formulation and biphasic mode of action, prolonged action as well. Marketing objective as far as regarding marketing objective is to do mass marketing in order to beat the germ of the product so that whenever the doctor think of treating IBS, the first name that comes in his mind will be Spasfon Plus in the sachet form. We have to make the action plan for this too. So by doing this one, we have to make the targeted audience, which should be the general physician, because the common person with the abdomen always get towards the general physician only. The Spasfon Plus has some SWOT analysis as well as far as regarding its strength, no risk of drug interaction, higher international customer knowledge in the key market, and it has a high level of off-label prescription as well. As far as regarding its weaknesses, the recent negative result in the IBS area and efficacy often question, non-customer friendly, formula complex and costly production processes. The Spasfon Plus has some opportunities as well. The GP's mindset of provide positive towards the IBS profile and developing the IBS market. No current optimal pharmaceutical treatment exists. And the next one is that the most threats and some of the threats are also visible because of this product, which are risk of losing and embarrassment of some key market and a favorable environment for the generics and for launch of the ideas combination therapy with the F1 factor as well. Spasfon Plus with Spasfon, a doctor can improve the IBS and abdominal clearance in the elderly patient without having the fear serious side effect or the drug interaction, which is very logical way for the product's position for the GPs only. Preclinical trials can also enhance the faith of the doctor toward prescribing the Spasfon Plus because of its high safety profile. One of the most competitive edges for the Spasfon Plus is that it's most economical and highly affordable for the common person as well because of his short days of treatment and high efficacy profile. The strategic publication plan is regarded the journals will be given to the doctor where that will the title of the current medical research and the opinion to show that the simple battery of the test can be easily and reliably used by the trained GPs to detect and as such as encourage the GPs to look for the IBS patients. Moreover, new media strategy, the development of an IBS internet site for the generic public will finalize this project start in the last year. This site will be helpful to the position to make the better position of the Spasfon Plus as an active partner in the IBS and to increase the awareness of the IBS as well. Thank you very much.